Imagine earning money while you sleep, travel, or spend quality time with loved ones. Sounds dreamy, right? Welcome back to CashWave channel, where today we're unveiling hidden gems in the world of passive income. These aren't your typical rent out a property or invest in stocks tips. We're diving deep into unconventional strategies that are making savvy individuals richer by the day. Ready to boost your earnings? Let's get started. First up, peer-to-peer lending for real estate. Platforms like Ground Floor allow you to fund real estate projects with as little as $10. You act as the bank, lending money to property flippers and developers. In return, attractive interest rates, often between 6 to 14%. It's a win-win without lifting a hammer. But hold on, there's more to this than meets the eye. Understanding the risks and the types of projects you're investing in can make or break your returns. In our upcoming video series, we'll dive deeper into how you can maximize your gains and minimize risks in peer-to-peer real estate lending. So stay tuned for that. Got an eye for photography? AR platforms are hungry for high-quality images to integrate into their experiences. By licensing your photos, every time a developer uses your image in an AR app, you earn a commission. It's like stock photography, but for the next generation. And don't worry if you're new to AR or licensing. Our upcoming videos will cover step-by-step guides on how to get started, from selecting the right platforms to pricing your work effectively. Drive daily? Turn your car into a moving billboard. Companies like Rapify pay you to display ads on your vehicle. Depending on your commute and the ad's coverage, you can earn up to $500 a month. Just drive as usual and watch the dollars roll in. But how do you sign up? What are the requirements? And most importantly, how can you optimize your route to earn more? All these questions will be answered in our detailed breakdown coming soon. Ever wished you could earn like a rock star? Platforms such as Royalty Exchange let you invest in music royalties, purchase a share, and every time that song gets played, streamed, or used commercially, you earn a slice of the pie. It's music to your ears and your wallet. But before you dive in, it's essential to know which royalties are worth your investment and how to assess the market. We'll cover all these aspects in our upcoming video dedicated to music royalties. Organizational tools are in demand, especially digital planners compatible with tablets and smartphones. Design unique planners, list them on platforms like Etsy, and once uploaded, they can be sold infinite times without additional effort. A creative outlet that pays repeatedly. If you've ever wondered what it takes to create a bestseller digital product, you're in luck. We'll have a separate video exploring the design process, marketing strategies, and more. Beyond just buying and holding crypto, staking allows you to earn rewards by supporting the network's operations. Platforms like Kraken or Binance make it easy. Depending on the coin, annual returns can range from 5% to even 20%. It's digital money making more digital money. Brief pause. Staking might sound simple, but there are nuances you need to be aware of, like locking periods and fluctuating rewards. We'll dive deep into staking strategies and best practices in our upcoming video. Got unused space in your garage, attic, or basement? Platforms like Neighbor let you rent it out as storage. Think of it as Airbnb, but for boxes and furniture. Minimal effort, consistent monthly income. Brief pause. We'll explore the best ways to list your space, set the right price, and ensure your renters are trustworthy in our upcoming detailed video. Each of these passive income strategies has its own set of intricacies and opportunities. That's why we're dedicating a full video to each one, giving you the knowledge and tools to dive deep and start earning. So, make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell so you won't miss out. If you found value in this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with friends looking to boost their earnings, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights into making your money work for you. Until next time, keep exploring and keep earning.